Hello children, today we are going to study about the first standard third lesson, the burnt rotis. The burnt rotis. See here children, in this picture, page number 25, you have to open this. Here they have given one picture. These are the family members. This is one family. These are the family members. Yes or no children, in your family, you live with your members. Together no? We address our family members with different names. Like mother, father, amma, abba, didi, uncle, auntie, that like. What do you call your family members? In your family, how many members are there? Tell me. Okay? And then, what do you call your family members? Okay? See here. Here, father, mother, son, daughter. Okay? Here will be son. We are a family of 3 people. We are a family of 3 people. See here, 3 peoples are here. They are having a lunch. See here, me, my mother and my father. Me. He is me, mother, father. Okay? My mother works hard every day. My mother works hard every day because she has doing some work morning to evening, still night. See here, today she is very tired. Mother is very tired today, so she has cooked something simple. That's why she has cooked something simple. Simple food today she has cooked. There is a bowl of dal. See here, there is a bowl of dal, potato sabji. Here, potato sabji and slightly burnt rotis. Slightly burnt rotis on the table. See this table children. Here, daddy, mummy and he. See here, his mother, his father, his mother works hard every day. As so, she is very tired today. She has cooked something simple today. That is a bowl of dal, potato sabji and slightly burnt rotis. She has kept on the table. She calls us for dinner. In night, she calls us to take dinner. I am hungry. I rush to the table to eat dinner. He rushed because he was hungry, no? So, he rushed to the table to eat dinner. I wait to see if daddy eats the burnt rotis. I want to see if daddy eats the burnt rotis. Daddy picks one roti and smiles at my mom. See here. His father took one roti and smiles at his mom. He asks me how my day was at school. He asks me how my day was at school. His father asked. I watch him make small pieces of the roti. I watch watch him make small pieces of the roti. Then he eats the roti and dal with a smile. Who ate that? His father ate the roti and dal with a small smile. After dinner, my mother says sorry to my father for burning the rotis. After finishing the dinner, his mother says sorry. To whom? To his father for burning the rotis. And I will never forget what he says. What he says. Honey, I love burnt rotis. Honey, I love burnt rotis. Okay, when I go to kiss daddy, good night, I say, may I ask you a question, daddy? He says, yes, you may. See here, children. He asked when it kissed to daddy and says good night. After he asked one question for his daddy. His daddy says, yes. Turn the page. I ask, do you really like your rotis burnt? Do you like? See here. Do you really like your rotis burnt? He wraps me in his arms and says, see here, wraps me. This like his daddy wraps him and his arms and says, your mom put in a hard day at work today. She is very tired. And besides, a little burnt roti never hurt anyone. See here, children, if in your home, your mother in case hard, put in a hard day at work, on that day, you have to eat burnt rotis. Okay? You don't ask extra new food items to prepare for your mother. Okay? That like he wraps me in his arms and says, your mom put in a hard day at work today. She is very tired. And beside, a little burnt roti never hurt anyone. Okay? See here, children. This lesson tells about the family members. How can we share with our opinions and feelings with our family members? Okay, children. How we have to understand the family members' feelings. This like we are a family of 3 people. Me, my mother and my father. My mother works hard every day. Today she is very tired, so she has cooked something simple. There is a bowl of dal, potato sabji and slightly burnt rotis on the table. She calls us for dinner. I am hungry. I rush to the table to eat a dinner. I wait to see if daddy eats the burnt rotis. Daddy picks one roti and smiles at my mom. He asks, He asked me how my day was at school. I watched him make small pieces of the roti. Then he eats the roti and dal with a smile. After dinner, my mother says sorry to my father for burning the rotis. And I will never forget what he says. Honey, I love burnt rotis. I love burnt rotis. In your home, your mother will make roti in every day. Do you eat or no? Yes. You will also eat the rotis in your home. When I go to kiss daddy good night, I say, may I ask you a question, daddy? He asked one question to his daddy. His daddy says, yes, you may ask. He says, I ask one question to my daddy. Do you really like your rotis burnt? He wraps me in his arms and says, your mom put in a hard day at work today, so she is very tired, and beside, a little burnt roti never hurt anyone. Never hurt anyone. He will also you will also never hurt your mother and father. Okay, children, always share with your feelings and problems. If you have any doubts, you ask to your parents. Interact with your parents. Okay, they will give the solution. See here, children, select the correct words from the given option and fill in the blanks. Select the correct words from the given option and fill in the blanks. The first one is mother dash every day. The first one is works hard, goes to school, goes to market. Which one is correct? Mother works hard every day. So you have to underline this one and write here works hard. The second one, mother is very dashed today. Today my mother is very tired, no? So you have to write here happy, tired or sad? Tired. Write here T-I-R-E-D. Third one, she made dash potato sabji and roti for dinner. What she has made? Dal. She has made dal. Fourth one, daddy asks about my health. Basketball practice, day at school. You write here, daddy asks about my day at school. The fifth one, mother calls us for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Mother calls us for dinner. Sixth one, mother apologizes to me, father, my sister. Mother apologizes. ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಯಾರನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು? Mother apologizes to father. Why? On that day, she has very tired. So, she didn't cooked roti. So, she has given them burnt roti to eat. So the mother apologizes to father. Okay. See here children, the second one. Read these questions and tick the correct answer. Read these questions and tick the correct answer. Why did mother say sorry to father? Because she served him cold food. Because she served him burnt roti. Why? She served him burnt rotis. Okay. Second one question. Why did father says, honey, I love burnt rotis? Because he likes eating burnt rotis. Because he did not want to hurt mother's feelings. Yes, her father did not want to hurt mother's feeling. Okay. See here, the second one is correct here. You tick this one and write this one. Okay children, in next period we will discuss about the grammar. Read this one lesson 2 times. Okay, read the lesson 2 times. Watch the video also 2 times. On that time only you have to understand the lesson. Okay children, take care.